Supplier Statement Report. The purpose of the supplier statement is to provide a summary of the transactions between the supplier and the customer during a specific time period. You can access Supplier Statement Report from Suppliers, Reports, Supplier Statement. From report filters, you can select suppliers. You can select a particular supplier, range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all suppliers. You can select active suppliers, inactive suppliers, or both suppliers. From category, you can select supplier category. You can select range of supplier categories. If you don't select any supplier category, system will display all supplier categories. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year, custom date. If you select custom date, you can select a specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range transactions. If you want to display brought forward balance, you can check show balance brought forward. If you want to exclude fully allocated invoices from the supplier statement, you can check exclude fully allocated invoices checkbox. If you want to view transactions in supplier's currency, you can check use foreign currency checkbox. If you want to exclude zero balances suppliers, you can check zero balance checkbox. If you want to exclude negative balance suppliers, you can check negative checkbox. If you want to exclude specific balance supply balances, you can check less than checkbox and you can enter the balance. If you check less than and enter 1000, system will not display supply balances less than 1000 suppliers. We will generate supplier statement report by checking show balance brought forward checkbox. View report. You can see this supplier has brought forward balance. We will generate supplier statement report without checking show balance brought forward checkbox. View report. You can see now balance brought forward values will not display in the report. In previous report, balance brought forward available. In this report, balance brought forward amount not available. We will generate report exclude fully allocated invoices checkbox. Now one invoice will display for this supplier. We will generate the report again. Unchecking exclude fully allocated invoices checkbox. View report. Now you can see allocated transactions will display in the report. You will check use foreign currency checkbox and generate the report. Now transactions will display in supplier's currency. If you generate the report, unchecking use foreign currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in home currency. This customer is a USD customer. If you uncheck use foreign currency checkbox, system will display transactions in LKR. In our supplier list, we have 5 suppliers. One supplier has a zero balance and one supplier has a negative balance. We can generate supplier statement report excluding zero balance suppliers. Check zero checkbox, view report. In this report, system will display only 4 suppliers. Zero balance suppliers not display in the report. We will uncheck zero checkbox and view report. Now 5 suppliers will display. Zero balance suppliers also display in the report. We will check negative checkbox and view report. Now system will display only 4 suppliers. Negative balance suppliers will not display in this supplier statement. We will generate report again unchecking negative balance. Now system will display all 5 suppliers statements. Negative balance suppliers will display. We will check less than checkbox and we will enter 100 as value and we will generate the report. Now system will display only 3 supplier statement. System will not display supplier balances less than 100. By clicking this transaction, we can view the original document. We can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, and these formats. We can print or email this report.